In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Adobe Express projects. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure your design is already loaded in the Adobe Express editor so you can access all the sharing options from the correct workspace. This is important because the sharing tools are tied directly to the project you currently have open. Once your design is visible in the editor, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This will open a drop-down menu where Adobe Express gives you several different ways to share your work, depending on what you want other people to do with it. On the Share tab, you can invite specific people to collaborate on the project. There's a field where you can enter the names or email addresses of the people you want to invite. If you're working with a team, this is the best option when you want others to help make changes or leave feedback directly inside the project. You'll also see an option that lets you control who has access. This is useful because you can decide exactly how the project is shared. In addition to access settings, you can choose the recipient's role. For example, you can set someone as an editor if you want them to make updates, or as a commenter if you only want them to review and leave feedback. After those settings are in place, click Copy Link to generate a shareable link you can send however you like. If instead you want to share your project more publicly, switch to the Publish tab. This option creates a polished link that reflects your latest changes and can be viewed by anyone, even if they are not signed in. This is especially helpful when you want to present your work, share it with clients, or send it to a broader audience without requiring collaboration access. There's also the Embed tab. If you want to place your Adobe Express design on a website or another web-based platform, this is the option to use. It creates an embed link that allows your design to be displayed directly on the web, which is useful for portfolios, landing pages, blog posts, or internal company pages. The key here is choosing the sharing method that matches your goal: collaboration, public viewing, or embedding on a website. Adobe Express keeps all of these options in one place, making it quick and convenient to share your design in the format you need. And that's it. That's how to share Adobe Express projects.